Hi Year 6, welcome to Wednesday's homework answers. So today I'm going through the answers to page 53, questions 10, 11 and 12, the measures problems. So let's have a look. Question 10. There are 28 pupils in a class. The teacher has 8 litres of orange juice and she pours 225 millilitres of orange juice for every pupil. How much orange juice is left over? So we've got quite a lot of information there and quite a lot to work through. So ultimately we need to know how much is left over, but first we've got to know how much she uses. So she's poured 225 millilitres for every pupil, and there are 28 pupils. So I need to do 225 millilitres 28 times, so 28 lots of that 225 millilitre of juice. So 225 times 28 is your first calculation. Let's do that together. 5 times 8 is 40. 2 times 8 is 16. Add the 4 is 20. 2 times 8 again, 16. Add the 2, 18. Now multiply it all by 20. Pop in a placeholder. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4. Add the 1 is 5. 2 times 2 is 4. And then add them up. Okay, so this will be how much she has used. Okay, so she's poured out 6,300 millilitres, but I want to know how much is left over. Now she started with 8 litres, so I need to convert that 8 litres into millilitres. So 8 litres is 8,000 millilitres. That's what she started with, and then I can take away the number that I've just worked out she's used. Okay, so 8,000 take away 6,300, dodgy zero there, and that is going to be 1,700 once I've worked it through. Okay, so your answer is 1,700. You must put units, otherwise it doesn't mean anything. So I could put 1,700 millilitres, or if you chose to answer in litres, it would be 1.7 litres, and either of those is an acceptable answer. So well done if you got that right. It had quite a lot of words in it and a couple of steps to do. Question 11. A box contains 2.6 kilograms of washing powder. Jack uses 65 grams of powder for each wash. He uses all the powder. How many washes did Jack do? So again, he starts with 2.6 kilograms and then he's using 65 grams. So let's convert 2.6 kilograms into grams. So he has 2,600 grams of washing powder. And every time he's going to use 65. Now, my calculation is 2,600 divided by 65, which is going to be quite tricky to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count up in 65s and see how I go. So each wash, so he's got one wash, add another 65 would be 130, 2 washes. Add another would be 195, 3 washes. Add another would be 260 grams, 4 washes. Now, I'm going to stop there because I could carry on going till I get my answer, but actually I've got 260. I want 2,600. So I can just times that by 10. So this was 65 times 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I need to times it by another 10. So 4 times 10, 40 washes. And if you wanted to check your answer, you could by doing 65 times 40, and you should get 2,600. So well done if you got that right. Our last question was a time question. So you've got this digital clock, and then you've got an analog clock, a normal clock face. And I want you to draw the time. So we've got 20:50. So that's a 24-hour clock time. 20 is 8, and 50 means kind of 50, which means 50 minutes. So 10 to 9. So I need my big hand showing 50, and then my little hand somewhere just before 9. Okay, so it's 8:50, it's 10 to 9. So make sure you've got a big hand and a little hand very clearly. The big one should be pointing at 50, and this one should be somewhere between the 8 and the 9, closer to the 9 because it's 10 to. Well done if you got all those right. Next set of questions I'm going to set are about area and perimeter, because we're just about finishing our unit on that. So I would like you to do page, where have I written it now? It is page 56, I think. Let me just check. Sorry, yes, lost where I wrote it down. It's page 56, questions 1 to 3, and come back tomorrow for the answers. Thank you.